Today, let's dive into a topic that's close to my heart: learning differences. As someone passionate about education and mental health, I believe it's essential to spread awareness about these unique ways of processing information. Let's break it down. Learning differences refer to the individual ways in which our brains process new information. Imagine our brains as a colorful mosaic. Each child represents a different way of learning. Some of us excel at visual learning while others thrive through hands on experiences. Recognizing learning differences is crucial because it helps us create inclusive learning environments. Think of it as celebrating the diversity of our minds. Just like a garden with various flowers, our classroom should embrace different learning styles. Kids with dyslexia may struggle with reading and spelling, but they often have incredible creativity and problem solving skills. Individuals with ADHD might find it challenging to focus, but their energy and enthusiasm can light up any room. Autism brings unique perspectives and talents. Let's appreciate the artists, scientists, and thinkers who see the world differently. As educators, parents, and friends, we can offer patience and understanding. Everyone's learning journey is unique. Let's adapt our teaching methods to accommodate diverse learners. Visual aids, interactive activities, and storytelling can work wonders. Speak up for inclusive education. Let's ensure that no learner feels left behind. Remember, understanding learning differences isn't just about textbooks, it's about embracing the beautiful tapestry of human cognition. Share this, spread awareness, and let's create a world where every learner feels seen and valued.